So hello everyone, we are having Gurpreet with us. He has attended online classes in a venturing and he has scored 7.5 overall scores. So Gurpreet, tell us about something about yourself.
My name is Gurpreet Singh, and I am working in an MNC, and I was not having enough time to appear for IELTS. So I really thank Aventurine, through which I got flexible timings to study for the IELTS, and the staff was very good, and the services were very good, and that's why I was able to achieve such a good and high score.
Can you tell me
So,
about your score in each module?
So in reading, I have got 8.5, and in listening, I have got 8, and 7.5 in speaking, and 6.5 in writing.
Okay. So you have got very good score in listening and reading. Especially in reading, it's tough to get 8.5. So what suggestion or what tips you would like to share with others so that they can start preparing and achieve their target score?
So I think the suggestions which I would like to give the other students is, especially in reading, they should read the complete paragraph thoroughly before going to the answers. That is the trick which I have used. I was reading the complete paragraphs thoroughly, so I was highlighting the main points while reading the paragraph, and that was very helpful to get the answers very easily and quickly.
Okay. Gurpreet, tell about the scores in listening and what tips you would like to give to others so that they can increase their score in listening module.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Sure. I have asked you about tips in listening. You have got 8 bands in listening. So, what tips you would like to share with others, especially in section 3 and 4, students find tough to correct their answers?
So for listening, I think the main tip is we need to be very much focused. And I have seen many people, they are getting afraid, or they are getting scared while giving the exam. So we have to be free in our mind, and we need to be focused while giving the listening exam. So I think that is the only key to get good results in the listening.
Your score in speaking is also more than 7. So, what tips you would like to share with others to improve their speaking so they can get more than 7 bands in speaking only?
For speaking, I think practice is the only thing by which we can enhance our score. So I have practiced a lot during my training classes with Meenakshi ma'am. So she has helped me in knowing my mistakes. Like there was like I was speaking a lot of informal words like yeah and all those things. So basically by doing a lot of practice during the training session, I was able to overcome those laggings, and I think that is the reason I was able to get good score in the speaking exam.
Okay. Can you tell me something about your online training session? Would you like to
so
suggest online classes to others?
So the best thing about the online training session was that I was able to get the flexible timings. As I have told you already that I was working and it was very hard to give the exam. So I was trying it from last couple of years, but I was really not getting enough time to go to the coaching center. But in this lockdown, when the institutes has come up with this online training section, and that was really helpful for me to prepare for the exam, and I was able to get a good score because of that.
Okay. Thank you very much, Gurpreet. Thanks for sharing your experience and giving tips to others. Wish you good luck. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.